All right, welcome to the Chapter 1 review. This is found on page 54 in your textbook, and your homework is to do the review, which is 1 through 29. 1 through 29. And we're going to start by going through 1.1, which is dealing with variables, and here is our first problem. First problem, a plus 14 when a is equal to 23. So we would plug in 23 for a. This would be 23 plus 14. 23 plus 14 is 37. Number 2, 1.8x when x is equal to 10. This would be 1.8 times 10, which equals 18. So 18 is your solution. Problem number 3, m divided by 1.5 when m is equal to 15. So we would have 15 divided by 1.5, and the answer is 10. Solution is 10. Problem number 4, 15 divided by y when y is 7.5. So this would be 15 divided by 7.5, which is 2. Problem number 5, p minus 12 when p is equal to 22. So this would be 22 minus 12, which would be 10. Problem number 6, b times a half when b is equal to 9. This would be 9 times 0.5. 9 times a half is 4.5. Number 7, how long will it take you to walk 6 miles if you walk at a rate of 3 miles per hour? So you do 3 miles in 1 hour, so it will take you twice as long, so that would give you 2 hours. Eight to the 4th power looks like this. It's equal to 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, and we'll use our calculator, and that equals 4,096. 4,096. Let's try that again. Problem number 9 says, in parentheses 2 plus 3, and then the whole thing to the 5th power. Remembering order of operations, we have to do parentheses first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And now we do 5 to the 5th power, which is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which equals 3,125. Problem number 10 says s squared when s is equal to 1.5. So this would be 1.5 squared, or another way to think of it is 1.5 times 1.5, which equals 2.25. Number 11 says 6 plus b to the 3rd power when b is equal to 3. We can rewrite this as 6 plus 3 to the 3rd power. And order of operations, again, tells us we have to do exponents first. So 3 to the 3rd, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So this becomes 6 plus 27, which is 33. Number 12 says 2x to the 4th power when x is equal to 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 times 2 to the 4th power. Order of operations tells us we need to do 2 to the 4th first. and 2 to the fourth is 16. So we can rewrite this as 2 times 16. And 2 times 16 is 32. Number 13 says 5x in parentheses to the third power when x is equal to 5. So we have to do what's inside the parentheses first. This would be 5 times 5 to the third power. 5 times 5 is 25. So this becomes 25 to the third, which is 15,625. Problems number 14 through 17 deal with order of operations. So here is our first problem. 4 plus 21 divided by 3 minus 3 squared. And this is a good opportunity to review order of operations, which is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. So looking at the problem from left to right, no parentheses, but there is an exponent. So this would become 4 plus 21 divided by 3 minus 9. Left to right, multiplication, no, or division, yes, we've got a division problem. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. This becomes 4 plus 7 minus 9. And then we can just solve the problem left to right. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Problem number 15, order of operations again. Looking at the problem from left to right, we can see that there are parentheses. So we have to do this part first. 14 divided by 7 is 2. This becomes 2 squared plus 5. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Here is problem 16, and I'm going to rewrite this problem to make it a little easier. I'm going to write with parentheses, 6 plus 2 squared, parentheses, divided by, parentheses, 17 minus 6 times 2, parentheses. Now we have to do our parentheses first. So inside this parentheses, here we have to look at the squared part. So this becomes 6 plus 4. This is in parentheses, divided by, and then this remains the same, 17 minus 6 times 2. And let's solve this so we can get rid of the parentheses. This becomes 10 divided by, parentheses, 17 minus 6 times 2, parentheses. And now we're looking at this parentheses. What do we have to do first within here? We have to multiply. So this becomes 10 divided by, parentheses, 17 minus 12, parentheses. Then we have to solve this parentheses. And we have 17 minus 12, which is 5. 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Number 17, we have x minus 3y divided by 6. And I'm going to use parentheses again. And this is going to be x minus 3y in parentheses divided by 6. We're going to fill in the information that we have. So we'll have 15 minus 3 times 2 in parentheses divided by 6. Within these parentheses, we have to do the multiplication first. So that'll be 15 minus 6 in parentheses divided by 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 divided by 6 is 1 and a half, or 3/6. that the recording?
Well, that's what I'm looking. And,
See what'll happen. Yeah, so this is the drive. That's why I went to the
yeah,
D phone.
that's the drive.
Okay, so when you hit this X button, it'll bring up this to save the video.
It will.
Yep.
Okay, so do you know where you're going from here? Because I'm not exactly sure.
Well, okay, so if we close this guy, because I think this is just a picture of the screen that you would be saving. Close that guy. Hit the stop button. So